Hey guys, it's Cami and welcome to this video. So you guys, obviously the holidays are here, they're in full swing, and if I'm gonna go to any parties this holiday season, I've gotta have the beauty items that are essential so I can get ready with no stress. And number two, my hair dryer has broken. You guys, my blow dryer that I had literally just spit out some metal things the other day, and I thought, okay, this is really unsafe. I cannot use this anymore. So I really needed to take a trip to Ulta and get multiple things. So I'm gonna be showing you guys what is available at Ulta Beauty for this holiday season. Let's go ahead and start with some hair items. For tools, I always like to go for Hot Tools. First of all, I trust this brand. I've used Hot Tools since I was a little girl. I think they're a very professional brand. It's used in beauty schools. I know that for a fact. This is the Tourmaline Super Light Turbo Ionic Dryer. It's got settings and speed settings for all hair types. And then also it comes with a styling pick and a concentrator for precise styling. Those things are definitely come in handy when I want to do sophisticated styles for the holidays. And it also comes with a 7-year warranty. If it starts spitting out metal things, I can definitely go ahead and check out my warranty. I cannot wait to use that. Okay. So because I got that blow dryer, I also got a free gift at Ulta, and I didn't even know that the deep waver was back in style. You guys, I ended up getting this as a free gift. It is also by Hot Tools, complimentary to the blow dryer. So I'm actually really excited to use this. I've seen lots of girls like crimping their hair lately. I thought, I'm not gonna do that, but waving it, I think I might do this. Let me know if you guys are actually interested in seeing me wave my hair. I've never done it like with a tool. I've actually never done it on camera. Let me know. Okay, so let's go ahead and switch from hair items to beauty items. I have all these new makeup things that I need, but one thing is something that I get on repeat from Ulta. I have a video completely dedicated to this item and what it does for me. You guys, I really enjoy doing my brows, especially with the E.L.F eyebrow pencil. This is the color Deep Brown. If you want to see my eyebrow routine, guys, I'm going to link that in the description box right down below so you can check it out. I really love using that product. And of course, because I really just can't go anywhere without doing something to my brows, so it seems like I need a lot of brow products. This is the Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. This is the color Brownie Brows. It's number 2. I use this every day of my life. Okay, so I really haven't experimented with foundations very much lately, and so I wanted to try a brand that has recently gone cruelty-free. I think it was this year. So this is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made Foundation. This is the color T10. I'm hoping that this is my right color. I mean, I matched it as closely as I could. I'm very excited to use this. I don't use very many CoverGirl products, but I really want to get into it because I know they're an old school brand and I just want to see what they're all about. So I picked this up. So I might be doing a foundation wear test on that one. I don't know if you guys have seen many, but I'm interested in doing one on this one just because I'd like to add it into my rotation if I like it. This is the E.L.F Total Face Sponge. It's a really pretty color. Like, I'm totally into the color, but I hear that this is a really good sponge, and of course you guys already know I love E.L.F products with the brow pencil, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this face sponge. Everyone who's ever talked about it has ever said anything good about it. In my opinion, those are the only reviews that I've ever come across. No one's ever said anything bad, so I'm gonna try that out. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I'm late, I know. But I really want to explore. You guys know I love my Maybelline mascaras. I love Benefit. So I'm really hoping that this, you know, does something awesome for me. So we'll see how it goes. So I got this eyeshadow palette, and I think that the Maybelline mini formula for the eyeshadow palettes have improved. I picked up the High Rise Sunset. Oh my gosh, this is so gorgeous. This is kind of reminiscent of the Armed and Gorgeous palette by Morphe that I was giving away in a giveaway a little while ago. I'm very happy to see that this is available. These colors are gorgeous. I cannot wait to use them. Guys, that's it for my entire Ulta haul. Thank you so much for hanging out. Okay guys, so this is the part of the video that I really enjoy doing. This is why I love when you subscribe and you actually like comment things. Okay, so this is the shout out part of the video. So I usually pick a comment from some subscriber and I go ahead and talk about what you commented. Sophia says, what's your favorite meal for Christmas? And congratulations to the winner. She is congratulating a recent winner that I had for one of my giveaways. You guys, I will link the giveaway link down below if you're interested in entering. Okay, so my favorite meal for Christmas, oh my gosh, Sophia. Okay, well, let's just start with my favorite actual like side dish, because the main dish is not like my favorite. My favorite side dish is the stuffing, and some people will call it dressing, and it's typically like a bread, and it's like in crumbles. I think that most stuffing is seasoned. Is my camera still on? Okay. I think that most stuffing it's bread, but it's seasoned like meat. So if you just have it by itself, it's like really filling and super savory and tasty. So yeah, for Christmas I've definitely got to have, I like baked chicken actually more than I like turkey. So on Thanksgiving you'll have like turkey, stuffing, cranberry sauce. For me, Christmas is like the exact same thing. I just want all of that all over again. So I'll have baked chicken and stuffing and a side of like cranberry sauce. Ugh. If I have those three things on my plate, I'm very, very happy with Christmas dinner. Let's also go ahead and get to the bonus question, which is a part of the giveaway. If you're entering the giveaway, click down below, see what's up, and then come back and answer the question if you want to. It's not a requirement, it's just for fun, but you can see how much fun I'm having right now. Okay, so the bonus question for this video is, you guys, which foundation do you want to see me do a wear test on? I have a new foundation that I just got actually, yeah, so it's the CoverGirl one that I want to do a wear test on. But let me know what foundation you want me to try, and you know, I think it'll really help you guys, especially if you're planning on using that foundation. So I want to do a wear test for you guys, so write in the comments down below which foundation you want me to do a test on. Alright guys, so I'm waving. That means it's like the end of the video. Don't forget to come back soon just to see whatever else I'm up to. Don't forget to leave me a comment, message me, let me know what kind of videos that you want to see. Alright guys, I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.